Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope all of you fine and you are be better than before. In our class this meeting, we are going to learn about process of worry. Okay students, there are many kinds of process of worry, like just relax, stay cool, cheer up, don't worry, don't be sad, nothing to worry about. Don't worry, take it easy. Or don't worry, everything will be alright. The best thing is to keep good. Okay student, understand about my explanation about some process worry. Now your tasks are 1. Read the process and send by voice note. 2. Practice the dialogue page 27 and send by voice note. And then 3. Do page 30 exercise 9. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.